Hello, Drawdown, Western North Carolina. Sarah Duffer here of the Asheville High School Environmental Science Program, inviting you to join us for a 3-week engagement competition rooted in the solutions to reversing global warming as outlined by Project Drawdown. So I wanted to take some time today to show you all how we're going to set up a team. So for those of you who wanted to set up a team for your family, for your school, for your workplace, your sports team, your bridge club, your book club, whatever, this is going to give you, I hope, a step-by-step tutorial. So I have not rehearsed this, and so it is just going to be organic the way that it unfolds. So I'm going to go on and present my screen. And then I am going to open up an incognito window because I'm logged into my school Gmail right now, but I don't want this in the other tabs to talk. So I'm going to look up Drawdown EcoChallenge. So I'll just do a little Google search for that, and it comes up first things first. Okay, great. And I am going to join, and I'm going to join using Google. And I am going to use my personal login information instead of my school. If you were, wanting to do this at your workplace, you'd probably want to use that work place email. So I am going to create a team for Drawdown WNC. So I'm going to go on and create my own team. And the team name is going to be Drawdown WNC. We're in the United States. We're in North Carolina. And we are an organization or company. We can just leave that blank, I think. We don't have a website yet. I'm not going to passcode protect this. And this is going to be a community group for us. We are not participating in July of last year. And then I can upload a team picture and a banner image, and I'm going to probably do that later. So I'm going to choose the start dates as November the 18th and the end dates as December the 9th. And let me just check really quick and make sure, wrong meet, make sure that I have the correct information here, because I would hate to set us up incorrectly. So we have, this is my little email that we're going to send out to you all. So it says that we are, yes, December the 9th. Okay, good. So that looks good. So I'm going to go on and create the team. Now, if I really had my ducks in a row, what I could then do is I could have my pictures already uploaded for my banner and that kind of thing. I am going to copy this referral code. And this is going to be the referral code that I send out to you all. So the referral code is going to be there. So let me go on and just hyperlink this. So this is the kind of thing that you can do with your team. That's done. And let's go back to the page. Good. I could also just invite, friends. So I have a couple of coworkers whose names have already populated there. But, if I had Nancy's email, then I could include her there too. I'm going to go on and just say skip for now. But especially if you are working with other folks who want to be co-captains, then you could, have their email ready and you could email them. So now we're in. And you can see the different action categories. So there's a tract for social justice, electricity, food, agriculture, and land use. You're going to see that these are the Drawdown 2.0 sectors: transportation, industry, buildings, health and education. And then we have the sinks, the coastal, ocean, and engineering sinks, and then the land sinks. So the idea here is that you could click on any of these And there's going to be one-time actions, or there's going to be daily actions. And these little bars down below are going to tell you how difficult they're going to be, how challenging they are. So this is a daily action, and it's marked at not very difficult because what I'll do is I'll research and tell people every day about alternative energy sources like wind turbine, solar energy, geothermal. So that is something that I'm going to go on and select. And I'm going to commit to telling 3 people a day the benefits of energy alternatives. And so, you know, I'm going to use my social media platforms to do that. So in reality, I'll probably reach more than 3 people, but you know, 3 feels like a realistic number for me. So I have now committed to a daily action. Now, the neat thing too that the EcoChallenge platform offers us is that you can either assign challenges for yourself or for your team. So, you know, if you have a team that maybe your book club is really committed to social justice issues, maybe you all decide as a team that, you know, you want to start a social media campaign on raising awareness about gender inequity in education, and sharing information found in the links that are below. So all of these also have learn more, which give you different links to different action resources. Also, the TED Talk from Dr. Catherine Wilkinson, the co-editor of Drawdown, is awesome. So they really do like provide a lot of support for you, whether you are individually selecting eco challenges or if you decide to assign eco challenges to your entire team, either way. So I can either go to my dashboard, which is it's kind of like where your profile is here, or if I sometimes on the pages at the bottom, there's a link there too. So I'm going to click on dashboard. And this is going to take me to, this is an introductory video on how to use this website. And I have included this in the email. And that is a resource for you. So you can see here that I can view my profile, that I have my avatar picture, but then I also have my banner image. I can edit my profile and I can write a mission statement. You know, I am committed to, you know, sharing the solutions, let's see, the solutions to reverse global warming with my greater community. And I can change my avatar. I can change my profile picture as well. So the same is going to be true with your team page as well, which we'll get to in a second. But in this top section here, you have your name, you have your profile that you can view, right? You can edit your profile, which I just clicked. You can also manage your actions. So this is a way for you to get back to that initial website where then you can select on the different action categories and choose eco challenges. But I want to go back to my dashboard, so I'm going to click up top. There's the how-to video there too, posted for you. So this is my dashboard page. And you can see here that I have signed up for this action. Now, during the Eco Challenge, there's going to be a little circle here, and I like to call it a finished button. And you're going to click the little finished button, and this image is going to kind of pop up and turn around and change color and say, "Great job, Sarah, you completed an eco challenge." And then I can answer the reflection question as well. So clicking the I did it, the finished button there when it appears when the Eco Challenge goes live, that is going to give me points. And also answering the reflection question is also going to give me points. I can click over here and that also takes me back to the action categories as well. I can also just make a note to earn 5 points here. And I'm just going to say, I'm so excited to invite Drawdown WNC to this fun, engaging competition. Okay, so I'm going to post that, and that's going to earn me 5 points. So I can also earn 5 points, and this gives me like different ways that I can earn points, right? Recruiting people, posting to the feed, which I just did, completing more than one daily action, completing one daily action, check in on the current day. So that's just going to your dashboard, logging in, and completing a challenge will earn you points. Recruiting teammates is another way as well that you can earn points. And of course, it's a nonprofit organization, but they do require money to operate, so they have a donation option as well. Okay, so, and then you see your point history down there too. So that is going to introduce us to like our profile, right? So if we go to Drawdown WNC, I can click on the title there. You can see that there's no picture yet. There's no banner image yet, that we have 35 points today because we created a team, right? So you can view your teammates. So for now, it's just me, right? And then you can also manage your team. So you can invite teammates. You can also email your teammates. So let's just go on, and I want to show you the People's Eco Challenge that Asheville High School students just completed, and so that you can see what this looks like once you have a robust team. So going to the Asheville High School page, you can see that there's an avatar and then a banner image. I did not update it with a mission statement. You can see our team impact, which is pretty neat. So, you know, once the Eco Challenge gets going, then the platform will automatically tally up all of the collective impact that your team has done. So this gives you a sense of the work that we've done. We've spent most of our time learning about different solutions, which makes sense because we're a school, right? And these are all different eco challenges that students have signed up for outside of what was required for them. You can see their team feed. So these are their posts. We have 118 members. So this eco challenge, I'm doing this on Friday, October the 30th, 2020. This eco challenge ended Wednesday. So to manage the team, this is the part that I wanted to show you. I can edit my team profile, I can invite teammates, or I can email teammates. So this is a feature that I really like, especially like at the beginning, the middle, and the end of the Eco Challenge, as you are a team captain and you're just trying to, you know, build momentum, build energy, remind folks information. You can select members, the people who get the email, the message, and then you can send your message. So, you know, one nice motivating thing to do is to send your team a message and say, okay, as you know, we're a weekend to the Eco Challenge, and you know, so that would, I think it's Thanksgiving Eve would be a weekend to the Eco Challenge this year. And so far, here are some of our achievements, right? And you can look at your stats that are offered on your page, and you can choose the most impressive ones and you can share that with your team. So that is under the email teammates. Now, if like, let's say Yancey County and Mitchell County drawdown teams wanted to pit against each other, right, have a little friendly competition, as long as you all have created teams, then you can challenge another team as well. So that's kind of fun too. Like sometimes different schools will challenge each other just to create a little healthy competition as we learn about and practice the solutions to reverse global warming. Okay, so let's see. The other kind of neat thing too is that you can create more teams. So if we wanted to, under Western North Carolina Drawdown, we could create teams. So if Yancey County wanted to have their own team, Mitchell County has their own team, Cherokee County has their own team, I'm happy to create teams under the umbrella of Drawdown WNC. So the way that this works is that you have your larger organization, Drawdown WNC in this case, and we could create smaller teams of people, and those smaller teams will compete against each other, but all their points are also banked in the larger Drawdown WNC team, and we're competing against other teams around the world. So that gives you a little tutorial to the website and gives you resources that you need. Let me just take a quick look and make sure that I have gotten all of the points that I wanted to share with you all. So let's see. Yeah, it's an invitation to join the Drawdown. I showed you all how to invite folks. And I've invited you to create your own team. And we also have a follow-up meeting. And the Zoom information is on this email here. And that's going to be on Tuesday, November the 10th at 7 p.m. So you can join that call. You can ask questions. Please note that the Zoom room is capped at 100 people. Let me stop sharing my screen and speak to you directly. So Asheville High School won the inaugural Drawdown EcoChallenge in the spring of 2018. It was one of the most moving moments of my career to see students all over campus engage together to learn about and practice the solutions to reverse global warming was profound, right? Part of the work that we have as Project Drawdown participants, right, as this community of Drawdown folks, is shifting the climate paradigm from climate change being something that is happening to us, right, a victim mentality, to an invitation for us to create a more just, equitable, sustainable future for all life on this planet. And I can't think of a better way than an eco-challenge to get folks engaged in the solutions, right? So this is a really fun, engaging competition. And I like the flexibility of the one-time only and the daily eco-challenges, because I don't know about you, but there's those few moments where I'm like, okay, I have 30 minutes. I want to do something that's productive. Like, what can I do, right? And a one-time only eco-challenge is a great opportunity just to pop on the website, browse through the different solutions, and oh, today I want to learn about, you know, fill in the blank drawdown solution. And I can learn more about that. I can gain some points for my team. And, you know, I'm better equipped to help bring these solutions forward into the world. Okay. So you can do a Google search for Sarah Duffer, Asheville High School. You'll find my email address. It is sarah.duffer@acsgmail.net. sarah.duffer@acsgmail.net. Shoot me an email if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. And I really hope that you all engage your communities. I just think that it would be a lot of fun for us in Western North Carolina to have lots of different drawdown teams during the same time and compete and learn about these amazing solutions to reverse global warming, right? Like, this is so exciting. Okay. Hey, thank you for your time. Forward together. Let's end 2020 on a positive, healthy, constructive, productive note. Forward together, team.